My passion for the outdoors started when I was young. I'll never forget my dad taking me out into the forest. He taught me how to pitch a tent and to carry my fair share. I love meeting people from all over the globe and sharing a common joy for the outdoors. It feels like you've known each other for a long time when you share the same passion. And even if you don't see that person for a long time, when you meet again, it feels like it was only yesterday. When you're out in the wild, you can just be you. For me to be truly in contact with nature, I need to sleep outside and carry my own equipment. This is a feeling that I wish everyone could experience so that they have the chance to understand the world and nature around us. See you on the trail.